Hi, now we are going to discussing about exercise 2.5, the seventh question. If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are three complex numbers such that mod Z equal to 1 and mod Z2 equal to 2, modulus of Z3 equal to 3 and modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1, then show that modulus of 9 into Z1 Z2 plus modulus plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6. Okay, so before that we know that modulus of Z the whole square equal to Z Z bar, modulus of Z square equal to Z Z bar. Now modulus of Z1 equal to 1, then modulus of Z2 is equal to 2, modulus of Z3 is equal to 3, then modulus of Z1 square equal to 1. So Z modulus of Z the whole square is nothing but Z Z bar. So modulus of Z1 the whole square equal to 1. Then Z1 bar equal to 1. Then Z1 equal to 1 by Z1 bar. Similarly, modulus of Z2 the whole square equal to 4. Then Z2 bar equal to 4. Then Z2 is equal to 4 by Z2 bar. Again, modulus of Z3 is equal to 3. Then modulus of Z3 the whole square equal to 9. So Z3 bar equal to 9. Then Z3 is equal to 9 by Z3 bar. Okay. Now we know that modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1. That is given that modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1. So first find the value of modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. This is nothing but Z1. Z1 is nothing but 1 by Z1 bar plus Z2. Z2 is nothing but 4 by Z2 bar plus Z3. That is 9 by Z3 bar. Okay. Okay, so after then taking LCM is Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. So Z2, Z3 bar plus 4 into Z1 bar into Z3 bar plus 9 into Z1 bar into Z2 bar. Okay, divided by Z1 bar into Z2 bar into Z3 bar. Okay, already we know that modulus Z1 Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar. So Z2 bar into Z3 bar equal to Z2 Z3 the whole bar. Again Z1 bar Z3 bar is Z1 Z3 the whole bar. Z1 bar Z2 bar is Z1 Z2 the whole bar. Okay. Again we take whole bar, that is Z1 plus Z2. So Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar, Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar, Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Okay, so modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to whole bar, that is conjugate of sum of Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. So and also modulus of Z equal to modulus of Z bar, modulus of Z equal to modulus of Z bar. So Z2 Z3 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus 9 into Z1 Z2 the whole bar is nothing but Z2 Z3 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus 9 into Z1 Z2 divided by, so this is modulus of Z1 modulus of Z2 modulus of Z3. Similarly, modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 into modulus of Z3. So we know that modulus of Z1 is 1, modulus of Z2 is 2, then modulus of Z3 is 3. So 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So therefore the value of 9 into Z1 Z2 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6. Okay, the next question is, show that the equation Z cube plus 2Z bar equal to 0 has 5 solutions. The given equation is Z cube plus 2Z bar equal to 0. Z cube plus 2Z bar equal to 0. Then Z cube is equal to minus 2 into Z bar. After then taking modulus of Z the whole cube is equal to 2 into modulus of Z bar. We know that modulus of Z equal to modulus of Z bar. So modulus of Z bar equal to modulus of Z. Then modulus of Z cube minus 2 into modulus of Z equal to 0. Taking common factor modulus of Z, So modulus of z into modulus of z the whole square minus 2 equal to 0. So we have modulus of z equal to 0, that is z equal to 0. So it is an equation, it has one solution. Then another side, modulus of z the whole square minus 2 equal to 0. Modulus of z the whole square equal to 2. We know that z bar equal to modulus of z the whole square. So modulus of z the whole square equal to z bar, that is equal to 2. Then z bar equal to 2 by z. 2 by z. Substitute the value in the given first equation. We get z cube minus 2 into z by minus 2 into 2 by z equal to 0. So after then taking LCM, z power 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So it is a fourth degree equation. It is a fourth degree equation. The equation has 4 solutions. So already z equal to 0 is one solution. Now it has 4 solutions. Totally the given equation has 5 solutions. Okay. The next one. Show that the equations z square equal to z bar has 4 solutions. Z square equal to z bar has 4 solutions. Now z square equal to z bar, the given equation, z square equal to z bar means taking modulus on both sides. Modulus of z square equal to modulus of z bar. So we know that modulus of z equal to modulus of z bar. So modulus of z square equal to modulus of z. Then we get modulus of z square minus modulus of z equal to 0. Take it out common factor modulus of z. So modulus of z into modulus of z minus 1 equal to 0. So here modulus of z equal to 0, then z equal to 0 has one solution. After then modulus of z minus 1 equal to 0. Modulus of z equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. Modulus of z square equal to 1. So modulus of z square is nothing but z bar. So z bar equal to 1. So modulus of z bar equal to 1 by z. Substitute the value z bar equal to 1 by z in the first equation. We get z square equal to 1 by z, which implies z cube is equal to 1. It is a cubic equation. So the cubic equation has 3 solutions. So already z equal to 0 is an one solution. It has then z cube is equal to 1 has 3 solutions. Totally the given equation has 4 solutions. That's all.